Hey, how's it going? Long time no see. Sorry about that. I got sick for a few days, then got lazy for a few days. Then I got a drum set. I've been wanting a drum set for 20 years again. So, alright, no big excuses. And I noticed I just got to 500 subscribers. I've been wanting to hit 1,000, like hopefully in a year, so I'm halfway there. Let's hope we can get it. Thanks for all, man. I'm really happy with all the support. And all you new subscribers, stay tuned. Hopefully you can enjoy. Tell me what you want to see, and hopefully we can get some stuff going. Thanks again. Let's get on this Karambit build. It's been long enough. I haven't even been in the shop for 2 weeks, so almost 2 weeks. That's bad. Here we go. In a video or two, when I'm doing the measurements and stuff, some of the people said they don't understand inches. So, to be honest, I don't understand millimeters or centimeters as a metric system unless I Google it and convert it. So I bought a ruler that has both and a tape measure that has both. So from now on, when I'm doing my measurements, I'll try my best to keep them both up. Also, after we get this heat treated, the Karambit, I'm going to try this Caswell's Blue. I've never tried it before, but I've had this for a long time. But I got into all that hormone stuff. Let's get on this. I got to drill out some holes first. So let me mark up where I want these holes. So I want one hole here and the other hole. Let's see, I want this coming down something like this. So I want the other hole probably in there. You got the middle. It's still some millimeters. Let me get my glasses so I can see. So on this one, we got 3.2 millimeters. So that would be 1.5 and 1. Yep, that's right in the middle. I hope that's right. Alright. 3.2, half of that is 1.6. Yep. And here we are 1, 2, 2.6, so 1.3. Yeah, that's it. Alrighty, there's where we want them. So I'm just gonna go and drill this, and then drill it with a 1/4 inch bit, and get on the heat treating. I'm gonna use that powder anti scale, because with 5200 in the past, I've tried to paint on anti scale, and for some reason it just didn't work as good. So I'll do the powder, show you how to do the powder. Here we go. I've been doing a lot of the drum stuff on here and all that other stuff, so I had to bring up square and make sure we're all straight. The last thing I want to do is drill a crooked hole. Yep, so we're all straight front to back. I already did everything, so all the way around we're good. Alright, put my trusty stop back there. Let's get this touched off, make sure we're good. Alrighty. Alright, I like these molybdenum bits. You gotta be careful with the new ones because they bite and they'll grab it right out of your hand. Oh yeah, I had this turned way up. Hold on, let me put it back down. Look at the chip that came out of that nice blue, man. I could heat treat it with the drill. Alright, let's give this a little spray. As long as the cream is not sharpened, man, you got that little place to hold and everything. See how it grabs like that? There we are. Let's go over to the oven. Man, look at this. This is what I put on when I did my thermocouple. Half of it broke off because it was all stiff. Look at that. And that was like right up against where it's, needed the most. Then it just fell off. I mean, it didn't burn up or anything, but that hardened part, that's not good. At least I have one piece still left. So let's run through this, how I get this set up. Got it on. Step 1. From 0 to 1,000, it's real quick, so Step 1, C1, we're going to go to 500. So, over, 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 down. 500 degrees. Now, set that time, we're going to do real quick, like 2 minutes, because that's going to be the ramp. Step 2 is going to be 500, but this one we're going to do for 20 minutes. And then step 3, we'll do 1500 for, try to do 5 minutes. And then step 4, we're going to do 1500, and we'll put it up to 30 minutes, just to buy us time. Remember, we can always skip things. There we go. Okay. Now start. Now it goes from 0. Watch how quick it goes from 0 to 500. I guess I better get the karambit. So here we go. We're putting it in. Alright. This is just to set it up. Man, from 0 to 1,000 this thing cooks, but then from 1,000 to 5,000, or from 1,000 to 1,500 it takes forever. Though, now that I got the new thermocouple and everything sealed, maybe it will be quicker. Alright, here we go, anti-scale time. It's only 500 degrees, so these gloves should be sufficient enough. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. There we go. Now let's take off some of the high spots. Alrighty. 1,500 it is. Skip to step 3, and we are climbing. Here we go. Everything's in. So I think I'm gonna get everything organized, maybe work on this disc grinder, get everything set up for that. Maybe try to get ahead since it's been so long. 1,500, here we come. Man, you should have seen it smoking in here. I updated all my lights, so I got daylighters all around for doing the mill and everything. But man, I turned this on, it must have had smoke. It's burned off now. This whole room was filled with smoke. So we're at about 105, 107. So I'm gonna start getting ready. Should have started the oil quicker. Alright, so it looks like it's gonna be a 20-minute soak instead of a 15. So close. My old handmade clamps. Turn this on and get it out the way. It should be interesting grabbing this karambit. So here we go. No differential or nothing, we're just going straight in. Alrighty. Yeah, see all that smoke? That's why I had to take the fire to put the things off. Ooh-wee. Alrighty. Next time I'll have to remember to check the bottom of my quench thing. I gotta wash the anti-scale off. Let it cool down and wash it off. You can see right there's no anti-scale. I filed it off before it cooled. So we're skating good. Like glass, like glass. Let me wash all this anti-scale off, and then we'll do an HRC, and we'll see. You can see how thick that anti-scale is on there, so. I got a fan down here I gotta keep on. Alright, so let me go wash, let it cool down, then we'll wash the anti-scale off, and then we'll give it the HRC test. No grinding, nothing. Right out of the soap and water. Just hot soap and hot water. You can see there's a few spots. Like here, this is probably where I first dipped it and it's stuck on. That's going to come off a lot easier than scale and all that stuff. You know, that's the one big thing when you use anti-scale. Don't grind it off. Just soap in hot water. Scrub it right off. Comes right off. Boom. Now, we will start out with HRC. 65. Here we go, 65 HRC. Like glass, doesn't bite. It might bite a little bit where I hit the anti-scale spots, but... And that's a 65, so he might be a 66 or 67. Because I mean, it's not... 65 isn't even touching it. So, that's what I love about 52-100. Yeah, I can't wait to try this Caswell's on it. Let me see how straight it is, and then we'll put it in for the temper. Actually, let me do one temper cycle for an hour at 400, and then we'll see how straight it is, and then do the straightening and all that. We'll get it a little bit soft. Into the temper, 400 degrees. First temper, 1 hour. There we go. I'm used to doing like 3 or 4 knives, but we'll just do this one now. Alright, I'll be back in an hour. Cleaned everything off, we tested it. First temper's been done. We got the first temper. I sanded this side because there was a warp in it, so I sanded it down. You know, I just put it down flat on some paper to make sure, you know, we don't have any divots or nothing sticking up. So wait till you see this. Okay. This side, we're flat pretty good, but look at this. Look at all the wobble. I mean, look at that. That's like insane. And we got wobble here. I mean, that's... Yeah, like I said, that's not the scale or anything. That, you know, no burrs, nothing. Okay, there's this old debate about if you should normalize stock removal knives. And for the most part, I usually do, but on this one I didn't. You know, it could be a coincidence, but for the first time I didn't normalize my steel before heat treat. And that's probably the worst warp I've had. Steve Miller knives, when he used to do tutorials, this is where I learned this one from. I used to take like 3 pins, put like, you know, put a pin here and a pin here and put it in the vise and push it out and all that, but here's the easy way. So we'll just put 3 washers on each side. Since it's like this, the middle needs to come down, so we flip it over. Now you see why all my clamps are bent. Clamp it down. You want to try to bring it a little bit past, put some pressure on it, not too much. You don't want to squash it all the way down, you just want to put it till it's straight. Actually a little bit past straight, but that should be good. Just like that. Now that's why I did one temper cycle, so this is at 65. Now we're down to like 60. So we put it in there, we try to put it right where that hump is, and hopefully that'll straighten it out. At least we want to get it to the point where I can surface grind it, which is why I leave this thick. You know, so we can move that center line over just a little bit past. We don't want too much because then it'll be tempted the other way. Then we'll be sitting there fighting back and forth. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the temper. Another hour, 400, and then we'll check it. I pulled it out of the oven, I let it cool down a little bit, so let's see what we got here. It sure ain't hot. Yeah, we're good. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm interested to see what we got here. I looked on the internet and I found some like cable rope. It's like up to 800 Fahrenheit, so I think this only goes up to like 650, maybe 700. That's why it got all tough and stuff, so it worked for the one heat treating. Live and learn, live and learn. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, I think we're straight. Alright. There we go. Alright, got a little bounce back here. Maybe side to side. But that'll come out with the surface grinder. I'm going to have to surface grind all this off tomorrow. And you know, I'm going to finish this and then we'll get back to the disc grinder. I got to get back on track. We'll do this. And then, yeah, got my new Ave shirt too. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the 500 subscribers. That's awesome. You know, it's great to see people coming to my channel and commenting and stuff. Really makes me happy. Makes it all worthwhile. Thanks for watching. Please like, please comment, share with your friends, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Hit the bell, all that. Let me know what you want to see. You know, any requests or any questions. I'll try my best to help you out if I can. Tell you I can if I can't. As always, take it easy.